Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the important question and answers from dual nature of radiation chapter which would be helpful for your IP exams. So the very first question is, what is photoelectric effect? When the surface of a metal is illuminated by electromagnetic radiation of suitable frequency, electrons are emitted from the surface of the metal. This phenomenon is called photoelectric effect. The emitted electrons are called the photoelectrons.
This animation suitable rays incident and photoelectric material. That photoelectric material emits a electrons. The phenomena is called photoelectric effect.
The next question is, what is work function? The minimum energy required by an electron to escape from the surface of a metal is called work function. We denote work function with W naught. Therefore, W naught is equals to H nu naught, where H is the Planck's constant, nu naught is the threshold frequency.
Work function is a minimum energy required to emit the electron from the metal surface is called work function.
The next question is, write down the Einstein's photoelectric equation. The Einstein's photoelectric equation is K maximum is equals to H nu minus W naught, where K maximum is the maximum kinetic energy of photoelectron, H is the Planck's constant, nu is the frequency of incident light, and W naught is the work function. Einstein's photoelectric equation also explains the photoelectric effect.
Light propagation in the form of small bundle of energy called quanta or photons, where energy of each photon is h nu naught, where nu is the frequency of light and h is the Planck constant. H is equal to 6.62 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joules. K maxima is equal to h nu minus pi naught. Important points for the emission of electron from metal surface. H nu greater than pi naught. This shows that greater the work function, pi naught greater than threshold frequency needed to emit the electrons. Number of electron emitted from metal surface. We know that K maximum E V naught and K maximum H nu minus pi naught. H nu minus pi naught is equal to E VE. VE is equal to H by E into nu minus pi naught by C. It is a formula.
The next question is, write down the de Broglie's relation and explain the terms in it. The de Broglie's relation is lambda is equals to h by p. As we all know, p is the momentum mass into velocity. So we replace p with mv. Therefore, de Broglie's relation lambda is equals to h by p is equals to h by mv, where lambda is the de Broglie's wavelength associated with the particle of momentum, h is the Planck's constant, p is the momentum, and m is the mass and v is the velocity. De Broglie's relation also explains the wave nature of matter. The next question is, state and explain the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. The Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is, it is impossible to measure both the position and momentum of an electron at the same time exactly. Mathematically, we can write delta x into delta p is equal to h cut, where delta x is the uncertainty in position and delta p is the uncertainty in momentum.
The rotating coin shows uncertainty principle. One side uncertainty in tail, another side uncertainty in head. If I can see properly head, I can't see properly tail. If I can see properly tail, I can't see properly head. This is uncertainty of head and tail.
Give examples of photosensitive substances and and explain why they are called so. The alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium are called the photosensitive substances because these alkali metals emit electrons when they are illuminated by light. The next question is, what are cathode rays? Cathode rays are streams of electrons. The rays emitted from the cathode of discharge tube when the gas in it is subjected to low pressure and strong electric field are called the cathode rays.
Discharge tube. Positive anode, negative cathode. In this discharge tube, low pressure required, that is 0.001 mmHg, and again potential, high potential required, that one 10K to 20K potential required. Cathode rays are stream of electrons we are seeing in discharge tube. The rays emitted from cathode of discharge tube. They travel in straight line. It is an important property of cathode rays.